We're going to SoCal VegFest, and obviously it's early. Here we go. So we just walked through an entire swap meet, and at first I thought it was VegFest, but it's not. Okay, wait. The library sign is just that way. P.S. I'm the only festive one. What's on the agenda for today? T-shirt, free samples. T-shirt, free samples. Paid for food, I don't care. First sample of the day.
First sample of the day. It's a vegan banana bread, I think. That's good.
When is vegan stuff not delicious? Oh my god, everything overwhelmed. Too many choices. We just got free vegan egg from Follow Your Heart.
3 cartons. 3 cartons worth.
Look who I found! What she has?
Chicken and waffles.
Mac and cheese and greens.
Oh,
and then
chicken and
$2
waffles?
kombucha. This is Southern Fried Vegan. It's like over there. There's so much food.
Can we like all get different food and then...
And all taste each other's food?
Yes.
Yeah, that sounds like a good
Because
idea.
I will spend the most money today on food.
However.
Oh, you're so cute. You're a little cuddly. Is it a video or a thing?
It's a video.
Okay, hi.
I know. We're educating.
It's turned up as much as
Of course. Yeah, this is my friend Nevada. She.
Hi, I'm Christine. Nice to meet you.
And that's my boyfriend Max.
Christina.
I'm seeing so many of my friends, and it's so exciting. When a farm came to Hancock, I volunteered with them since I am currently employed with the Humane League, and so my boss let me know that they were coming and that we'd be on my campus for 2 days. And so I volunteered with them, and now they're here in SoCal. And I was like, you know what? I'll bet they'll be here today. So I went to go see my friends. Lunchtime. Nevada went to go find some food elsewhere. We got some Happy Elephant Vegan, which is one of my favorite restaurants in all of the land. It's in Long Beach.
I would have to agree.
Pumpkin curry noodles. What are these?
Danny's curry noodles.
Quinoa, rice, beans.
And tofu of some kind.
Good. And then you pull it out through the top when you're done with it. Close.
This is the 7th grade Max technique of shirt removal.
Yep. I was a little more graceful, but whatever.
Oh my god! Hi vlog, what's up? Do you have anything to say to meat eaters?
Just keep an open mind to veganism and don't like knock it until you try it, or just like understand it, I guess.
good advice. Vegans are cool, like they're just normal people. We just don't eat meat and we're just like really passionate about why, so. It's true. Yeah. I mean, if you know me, hopefully that comes across. We leaving.
Leaving the vegetable festival.
The vegetable festival.
Where all the vegans are all happy and all friends.